This PLiX Hibiscus Bond Repair Advanced Conditioner is viral for a reason, and this is non-sponsored and honest review. This conditioner has changed the whole hair game of mine. So without further ado, let's start the video. So today I'll talk in detail about PLiX Hibiscus Bond Repair Advanced Conditioner. So this conditioner is designed to restore and strengthen damaged hair. This conditioner repairs hair structure and reduce breakage. The brand says it repairs 2 years of damage in one wash, and I'll tell you whether it is true or not. This conditioner nourishes and rebuilds hair fiber from within. So PLiX Hibiscus Bond Repair Advanced Conditioner comes in this pink kind of very cute packaging, no tamjham. Actually I bought this just because of packaging. So it retails for rupees 450 for 175 ml of product, but I purchased it from Amazon in 399. So this conditioner is PETA approved, dermatologically tested, no parabens, no mineral oil. And now let's talk about what makes it so special. I'll talk about key ingredients over here. It has fiber hands, which is a specialized bonding agent that penetrates deep into the hair fibers to strengthen and improve the internal structure of hair. The beautiful ingredient is Techno HYAL hair complex, which is a blend of featuring hyaluronic acid crafted for optimal hair in hydration and conditioning by attracting and locking in the moisture. Then it has ceramide complex, which is a blend of natural fats that coats the hair, reinforcing its protective outer layer and maintaining moisture balance. And the last beautiful ingredient is hibiscus extract, which is rich in nutrients. This extract provides natural nourishment and hydration to the scalp and hair. Basically, these ingredients nourish and rebuild hair fiber from within. So now I'll tell you which hair type should use. So basically this is for every hair type: straight, wavy, curly, coily hair. And if you have if your hair is weak, brittle, split ends, dry, frizzy, dull, you can use this. The texture of this conditioner is more like mask, which I personally love. It's not too thick, not too thin, perfect consistency. Now I'll tell you my experience. So before going ahead, let me tell you my about my hair type, my hair type and scalp type. So I have very oily scalp and color treated hair. I use heating tools sometimes, but I do blow dry my hair every time I wash my hair. It's very rare that I'm not blow drying my hair. So I told you my hair type and my hair care routine. So my hair strands are dry, but not that crazy damaged or dry kind of. When I had to put this PLiX Hibiscus Bond Repair Advanced Conditioner in test, I left my hair care for a week so that I can see whether it actually repairs damaged hair or not. So the day when I first used this, my hair was crazy dry, rough like jhadu. So I washed my hair, squeezed excess water by my hands only, and I have not used any towel. Applied generous amount of this, and oh, the fragrance, it has very mild but very lingering fragrance. The fragrance stays in your hair until next wash. Like I wash my hair on alternate days and the fragrance stays properly. You don't need lots of product, but just little bit does wonders. Right after applying it, it opened up all my knots of hair. जो भी बाल उलझे हुए थे बाल हेयर वॉश करने के टाइम, वो सारे इसने खोल दिए. I tied my hair, kept it for good 10 minutes. You can keep it for minimum 5 minutes, but maximum I keep it for 15 minutes. After that, I washed my hair with plain water, towel dried my hair. That day I did not use any blow dry, any hair serum, nothing, because I wanted to see the actual result. And trust me, the result was mind-blowing. I can actually feel the repaired factor. My each strand started looking healthy, shiny, well moisturized, well hydrated, and whatnot. My words can't do justice with this conditioner. It's beyond excellent. The best thing about this conditioner is it doesn't weigh down my hair. You don't need any hair serum after using this, but I use hair serum because I love using this. I love using hair serum. I have also tested hair serum from same bond repair range from PLiX. I will review that in next video. So PLiX bond repair conditioner improved my hair texture. My hair started to look healthy in just one wash. My hair tips are smooth, well nourished. I seriously loved using this, and this is my current favorite hair conditioner. I have not used any hair mask after using this. This works so well for my hair that I forgot every care product in my vanity. So this is must have product. Buy this and you will thank me later. My words can't describe this product. This is that great. It doesn't leave any oily residue or makes hair oily. It actually repairs the hair bond. So I rate PLiX bond repair conditioner 100 out of 10. This is an investment if you want a healthy hair. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such videos. See you soon in the next video. Bye.